officially the first train show since 2020. For me, anyway. What'd you get?
Flock and turf.
Flock and turf.
Flock and turf. Flock and turf.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
All right, what car would you like to move to its station? We got red, yellow, blue, or green. Do you want to move the red one? All right, I'm going to put the red one over here, and it's going to be your job to move it back where it belongs, all right? All right, now stop. Okay, that's good. Thank you, sir. Good job.
So it's been a pretty fun day. Met a lot of cool people. Saw some familiar faces that I haven't seen in years, which is crazy. I mean, I haven't done a train show in almost 3 years, like I said, so it was really cool to see some people. And yeah, this is my setup I had for going live, and of course, the rest of my table here. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I'm gonna do a quick live walk around now before the show closes for the day, and we'll continue this tomorrow. So it's day 2, and it is freezing. They told us we were gonna have 80 centimeters of snow, and so far, not quite, but it's freezing out. This is how a true Canadian cleans off snow. You crack the door nice and slow, open it, and slam. Boom! Hey, can I get a large double, please, bud? Okay. Oh, that's a coffee, bud. So we just got to the train show, and no one from the Ganaraska Club is here yet, which is my brother's club. So I'm gonna sabotage his layout. You'll never know.
And then that's a new car. Look at the old cars over here. A longer box car, and then a shorter box car because they didn't have longer box car.
I need to be in more places at many times. But it's all right.
Tough weekend to be the president.
Yes, they always are. When you're here all day, both days, and everybody's coming at you with something, it gets busy. But it's all right.
You had a fun weekend, though?
Yep.
That's good.
Got some good deals. Got to see some people again.
The show ended at 3. It's now 20 after 3. And, yeah. I got all kinds of stuff to pack up. Nobody bought a hat. Buy hats, people. SterlingSociety.ca. So that's it. We're in an empty gym now. It took me a minute to finish the cars that I was working on, so I had to go past 3 o'clock finishing the cars, and now I'm the last person to load out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. If you want to check out more videos, I'll put some right here. And until next time, remember, they make it like that.